Hi guys, it's Denise, and for today I'm going to be talking about my 1-year review. Well, I've had this bag for gonna be almost 2 years already, or I think I hit 2 years, I'm not so sure. But I did a video when I first got it, and I can link that down below. But I've been getting so many requests in that video to do a 1-year update, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. So the bag I'm actually gonna be doing a review on is the Louis Vuitton Croisette bag. And yeah, if you want to check it out, please keep watching. Alright, so I kid you not, got so many requests to do a updated review on this one. So this one I got probably almost 2 years ago, and this is my #1 most used bag in my collection. I have the Louis Vuitton Neverfull that I got 2014, and yet I feel like I used this one more, even though I only got this 2 years ago. So okay, so as you can see, it still looks brand spanking new. Well, not really, but I mean, for the amount of times I've used and abused and carried this around in the snow, in the rain, in the wind, in the beach, everywhere, whenever I travel, this is like my go-to bag. I don't know if you guys know, but I am a mom, so I'm always on the go. I like to be hands-free. I care less of what I'm carrying, but I still want to look chic, obviously. This was when I got this one, it was my first print, because the Neverfull that I have is actually the monogram. So with this one, I just love how the treated leather, you don't have to worry about the vachetta and all that stuff. I love the chain, falls perfectly on my hips, and yeah, so still looks new. Maybe the only thing I can say is that it became a little bit softer, but I love how it's soft yet still structured. I love the way that it's so easy to open, and then the stuff that you can put here, you can put less, you can put more. These are all the essentials I need, and just the right size, where it's not too big, not too frumpy, not heavy at all, and you can still kind of stuff it as well. Okay, so if I were to be really looking for flaws, at first I was scared of like the treated leather, and like, see when you kind of like bend, and I mean it's normal, but honestly it's so well made that I don't even see anything that I can complain about. Tassel, at first when it came in, it was like this up until like half a year, so now I'm trying to fluff it out to make it more kind of like used. So sometimes I take this off when I'm going to a formal or a wedding, or make it more dressier. I take out the straps as well and just carry it around like this. Honestly, this bag has been used and abused. Put it on the ground, nothing, no scratches, rained on, oh my gosh, it's crazy. So I guess the only thing is the tab right here. You could see just a tad amount of like stretching or like lines, but that's again normal. And then the buttons right here, so when you open it up and then when you close it, sometimes in the beginning I couldn't really find it, so this was banging on the part right here, and was obviously a little bit scratches. You can see close up. This one here doesn't bother me too much, but obviously there's scratches, which, you know, keep in mind. If you are very anal about that, then don't get this bag. But I mean, I dropped this many times, and again, it doesn't bother me at all. Okay, so diving into what's in my bag, these are the essentials that I bring every day. Some less, sometimes I add more, but just the right amount of size. So I have my stylus pen that I use when I do my stories and all that stuff, and this one actually has a built-in pen. Then I have my tissue, my Purell sanitizer, then my wallet, which is the bulkiest of all. This is the Gucci wallet. So basically you can put like this or like this and it still fits fine. I have a little pouch right here where I put like gift cards and all that stuff that I don't necessarily bring every day. I have my bliss sticks, lip balm, lip gloss, my phone. I have a iPhone 8 and my lip pencil. And then there's this pocket over here, which, you know how sometimes when bags have back pockets, well not back pockets, but like pockets right here, and they're like half the size and so small and you can barely put anything. I love how this one is basically almost the whole length of the bag. So I put like my prayer book in here or anything that I don't want put in the pit over here. And then I also put my mirror in here whenever I do touch-ups and all that stuff. So that's what's inside of the bag. And I love how it doesn't, the last a year and a half, 2 years, never really shown stretching or anything like that. And if I would want to fill up, sometimes I even bring this Anchor power bar, and it's huge and it still fits in my bag with all these stuff. So I just kind of like put it in here. Let's say I have a gig or going somewhere traveling, I just put the stuff in there. So yeah, nothing really much to say about this bag, but I just love it. If you're contemplating of getting it, I say go to the store, try it out, see. In terms of confidence, the times that I've used it in so many occasions, I dressed it up, dressed it down, it's just worth the money. I love this bag. It's my #1 most used bag. Again, I keep on saying it just because I can't stop raving about this bag. So I am 5 feet flat, and it falls right below my hip. So this is my hip right here, and it's just right below it. I like how it's not heavy. I'm hands-free. And alright, so that is it for this video for today. I hope that you love these kinds of videos, because I love watching one-year reviews or updated reviews on bags. So if you like this video, please go ahead and hit like. Don't forget to subscribe, and we are going to be seeing each other in the next video. And don't forget, no matter what the day brings, always find joy. Up until the next video, bye.